Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter M. M is the 13th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a consonant letter. Here is a letter M in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase M. Start with the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line down to the right. Next, make a line up to the right. Now make one more line to the bottom. Now you try. Here is a letter M in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase m. Start with the middle and make a line down. Next, go back up to the middle and around to the bottom. Now go back up to the middle and around to the bottom again. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter M? M is for macaroni. M is for macaw. M is for magazine. M is for magnet. M is for mailbox. M is for man. M is for mango. M is for mangosteen. M is for maracas. M is for marker. M is for mask. M is for mat. M is for match. M is for metal. M is for meerkat. M is for melon. M is for mermaid. M is for milk. M is for mirror. M is for mittens. M is for mixer. M is for money. M is for monkey. M is for monster. M is for moon. M is for moose. M is for mop. M is for mosquito. M is for moth. M is for mother. M is for motorcycle. M is for mountain. M is for mouse. M is for mustache. M is for mouth. M is for muffin. M is for mug. M is for muscle. M is for mushroom. M is for mutton. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.